How to hide my real name on PayPal 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can hide your real name on your PayPal dashboard. So if I come on home, you can see on the top left hand side, you can see my real name because obviously this is my business account and I don't want my real name to appear. So this is obviously business name, but on the right hand side, you can see my real name and I do not like that. I do not like the sight of that. So for that, all you're going to need to do is you're going to go into your account settings, and from there, you're going to go into your business information and you're just going to update your business name. So as you can see, once I updated my business name, what's going to happen is it's going to make this name appear over here instead of my, actual name, which is John Leahy, which is going to be on the right hand side. So people are going to be seeing this name in the display name when they're sending me payments. So all you're going to do, come to account settings. Okay, from there, go to business information and update this type of information as you can see. And then you're just going to click on next, update your information. I'm not going to go next. So, just not to give out my information, but you get the point. You're going to update your information, change your, business name from your real name to, something, whatever you want to show the audience. And yeah, you should be good to go from there. So yeah, that's about it. That is how you're going to hide your real name on PayPal. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.